What's up? Welcome to another drum lesson about advanced fills. So today I want to talk about a grouping 3-5-7-1, which is something I learned from Benny Grupp, which is amazing. Using groupings in your fills is going to break you free from the standard basic boring fills. This is what it looks like and sounds like. So I use two different variations, one where I'm just using my hands and the other one where I'm also using my kick. Now the principle of using groupings is actually pretty simple because in total for a 1-bar fill we have 60 notes to fill in, right? But we're so stuck in that 4x4 loop that we have trouble creating other different loops or fills or groupings within a 1-bar fill or even within our playing, right? So we're kind of stuck here. Or maybe, right? It's always those 4 toms, the 4, I mean, it's nothing bad. It's very useful, but you already know that. If you want to break free from that and you want to upgrade to the next level, the grouping system is going to help you. All right, so the first one is going to be 3-5-7-1 with just the hands. The grouping of 3 is right, left, left. The grouping of 5 is going to be right, left, left. And the group of 7 is another right, left in front of your 5. So right, left, left. And then we have one note left. You can play it with your right hand. And that's your fill. And then all you have to do is put it together. And then the only thing that's left is moving your hands around. And you can already hear that some nice melodies are occurring, right? Now the next thing what you can do is change the patterns. So the numbers are staying the same, 3, 5, 7, 1. But now we're changing the groupings as we're playing them. So the 3 is going to be right, left, kick. And the 5 is going to be right, kick, kick. And the 7 is going to be right, kick, kick, left, kick. And the 1 is still 1. And then you get this. All right, pretty cool, pretty simple. It's just using different configurations of groupings in your fills. And that's it. So that's how you're breaking free and going into the realm of advanced fills. If you want to know more about it, I have an amazing method and system that goes really deep into this, which gives you the whole system of understanding how you can use these groupings and how you can develop your own awesome fills. Find the link in the description, hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.